All right, AP Calc, this is the video that concludes section 1.2. I'm just going to offer a few explanations on two word problems, number 53 and 55, and hopefully you guys won't find them too ridiculous, and they'll help you for the other word problems that I assigned. Number 53. Let's check it out. Let's see, we got an open box that's to be made from a rectangular piece of cardboard, and you're basically saying like, it's 20 by 30 inches, and you're cutting out squares from those cardboard. So usually when people are in class, I actually take a rectangular piece of cardboard, and I'll show you cutting out the ends, and you can kind of see, oh, like that's how a cardboard box is created. And they say it's an open box, so it's kind of like one of those boxes full of like computer paper, like all those reams of paper. If you take off the lid, that's a box that is pretty much open. Sorry. I don't need to explain what an open box to you guys is. You know. Alright, so you got squares coming out of each corner, and they want you guys to express the volume of the box as a function of x. So I think they give another little drawing too, just in case you don't know what a box looks like. They're just showing you how this is the net version of it, and this is the complete version of it. So I guess the first thing to establish is, what is the volume of a box? What kind of shape is this? Well, it's got rectangles on every part with depth. That means it's a prism, okay, in which the rectangle is the cross-section shape. It's a rectangular prism. So box equals rectangular prism. What's the volume of this? Length times width times height. So this is interesting. This question mark right here is basically from here to here, when we're talking about sort of like this net version of it. Now this whole thing is 30. So if we added on these little amounts, you get 30. So it's sort of like question mark plus x must equal this 30 right here. So I kind of got x plus question mark equals 30. And then you just got to get the question mark by itself. So 30 minus x is this dimension here. I guess we could call it the length. Let's do the same thing for this width. So from here to here, it's the question mark. It's got x units there and x units here. The whole thing is 20. So x plus x plus the question mark equals 20. But again, you see the pattern, right? It's going to be 2x here, and then you're going to subtract it to the other side. So the question mark is 20 minus 2x. That's our width. Last one, height. Oh, they tell us. The box is x units tall. Now the question is, did we do what they asked us to do? I mean, express the box as a function of x. Express the volume of the box as a function of x. And we for the most part did that. What I want you to do is actually expand it as a polynomial. So this x needs to be multiplied by one of these. In fact, what you could do, let's just multiply out this polynomial first and then just distribute the x in at the end. So 30 times 20 is 600. And then you got 30 times negative 2x is negative 60x. Negative 2x times 20 is negative 40x. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. X times x is x squared. All that's being multiplied by an x, which just means everybody gets a higher power of x. So 600x, this will be negative 100 x times x, and then plus 4x cubed. Number 55 is our second one.